We like to refer to it as our warehouse on wheels because we can fix the majority of problems first time on site because of the inventory we keep on the truck. Plus we have a technician, a very skilled technician, who's invested heavily in himself and we've invested heavily in to make sure they know how to diagnose your system and fix your system safely. There's a cost to that. It's that simple. Just to have a truck show up at a home or a business costs money. And anybody that's willing to show up and not charge for it, I would be a little bit suspect of. Why? They must need work.